Where is my old skateboard?
What is this? Mom used to ride a Vespa?
Mom! Did you have a Vespa? I found it upstairs. Oh no, not that helmet. It was from my first date.
First date? You never told me this.
How many dates before Dad? 7.
7?
Uh-huh.
Please, I need the story.
Oh, maybe I should go.
But don't judge me.
Come on, Mom, tell me. So how did you and Dad finally meet?
This place is beautiful.
Hi, gorgeous. You must be Lily.
Thank you. It's so beautiful. Ooh, it smells so good. This is Ryan. Very tall, strong too, and very handsome.
And put this on. Let's go.
I thought it was a cafe date, not a bike ride. I never rode a bike before.
We go to a cafe, but not here. A cafe on a hill. We go by motorcycle. Come on, this is an adventure. You will like it.
I'm scared of high speed.
Hold tight. Let's go.
This road is so long. When do we get there?
We're close.
Ryan! Be careful! It is a hedgehog! Oh, poor hedgehog. Your motorcycle is very loud. The animals are scared. It makes too much smoke.
I don't really care.
Slow down, please! I'm scared! I told him to go slow, but he didn't listen. My whole body hurts. I'm very sorry. Is this yours?
I was very lucky. Because my motorcycle is fine.
What a terrible ending.
What happened next?
Nothing. After that, someone new came into the story. Today, I have a date with David. I want to go like this, in this beautiful green outfit and these high heels.
Hi, beautiful.
Wow.
I'm happy to see you.
Protein powder?
Yeah, chocolate is not healthy.
David, a pro athlete, very tall, very muscular. He loves exercise, and a little funny.
You are very fit and beautiful. If you train a little, you can be more muscular and have six-pack abs. Look, like this. 3 sets, 10 times, every day. And this one, 3 sets, 10 times.
Does he not like my body? Does he want to change my body? Is this a red flag? I don't know.
I thought you wear sports clothes today.
Why?
Because we met at the gym.
Oh, that's too heavy.
Let me help you.
Thank you. I think this cafe is nice. Let's sit here.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can just talk.
Sure.
Hi, welcome. Are you ready to order? I'll have a latte. Or an orange juice.
Too much sugar.
Or an apple cake.
Too many carbs.
Or French fries.
Too many calories.
You know what? I'm not hungry.
2 glasses of milk, please. I mix 1 scoop of protein powder into the milk. This is the only drink for us. Here you go.
Oh my God. He doesn't even let me choose my own food. Let's go for a walk.
Oh, it's my gym time. I need to work out.
But we don't have gym equipment.
May I? Come on, let's run to the end of the street.
But I'm wearing high heels.
That's your problem. An athlete should always wear sneakers.
Oh no. He thinks I'm an athlete? Health and healthy food are good. But he is addicted to working out. And he is not my type. I want a life with a little bit of everything beautiful. Not just one thing. After that gym-obsessed guy, the next one is Ben. This hat looks really good with my outfit. Hi. Is this a garage?
Hi, Lily. Welcome to my research garage.
This is Ben. He is medium height. He is an inventor. He is smart. His face is cute. He is shy. And a little clumsy.
Are we going out?
No. I don't like crowded places. Can we talk here? Please, have a seat. My assistant will make coffee for us.
Your assistant?
Yes, my assistant. Here it is. Hi.
This is Bolt. I built him myself. He helps me with everything. Well, I'm still improving him.
Hi, Bolt.
Coffee and cake for you, madam?
Yes, please. Great idea.
Okay.
Here you go. Enjoy.
What a delicious coffee. Bolt, you are so cute and adorable.
I am cute? You like me?
I'm happy you're here. I want to tell you more about myself, so you can know me better. I love making new things.
Get up. This is my chair.
What? Huh? I want to date her. But this is my date.
But she likes me.
Then let's ask her. What do you think, Lily?
What are you talking about? Are you joking? He's just a robot.
No, Lily. He is more than a robot. I built him myself. He counts as a person.
Come on, let's go to the cafe.
You're crazy, Ben. I have to go. A romantic robot? That's so funny. If I were you, I would pick him.
My makeup looks good. My hairstyle looks great. This beautiful necklace, too. Perfect.
Hi, guys. New car, new date.
This is John. He's very handsome. He's very sociable. And he's kind of rich.
Hi, Lily. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
It looks good.
Wait, let me take a picture.
I need the drink.
and the location.
I just want a drink.
Are we filming?
Just a little. They like this. Hey guys! I am on a date. Look at my outfit.
What food looks good?
Maybe food we like?
Yes, but colorful food looks good in photo. People love weird food.
Don't move. This shot is perfect.
I want real life, not a show. I came for a date. Not for your camera, not for your followers.
Lily, wait.
Good night, John.
Guys, I think this date failed.
Oh, wow. He was a blogger? Was he famous? That's so exciting!
He was taking photos and posting them without asking. From far away, it looked exciting. But up close, it was boring. He never put his camera down.
The next one was Adrian, romantic kind man.
Hi.
Hi, Lily. I'm happy to see you outside the dating app. You look very beautiful.
I picked them for you, from the hills outside the city. I wanted to make a bouquet for you, not just go and buy one. I hope that you like these. They are for you.
Aw, thank you so much.
Your smile is perfect. Your eyes are like stars.
That is very sweet. So, Adrian, tell me something about yourself. Oh, you brought music?
I dedicate this poem to you. Your smile turns quiet moments into light. Your eyes make the whole world feel softer.
Oh my God. We matched a few days ago, and this is our first real date. This feels way too much.
When I am near you, even my heart speaks gently. And somehow, the world feels less lonely.
Why is he acting like we are already in a romantic movie? He is being way too romantic, way too fast.
I made this for us.
For us?
Our first memory.
We met 1 hour ago. We barely know each other. You don't even know my last name. You don't even know what I like. I'm not comfortable moving this fast. I'm so sorry. Good night, Adrian.
What happened next?
Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Please.
So, what do you do for fun?
I like music, movies, and long walks. What about you? Steve? You're not even listening to me. That is definitely a red flag.
Sorry, did you say something?
This was my worst date. And probably the shortest date in history.
I didn't think it would end like that. Tell me what happens next.
After those awkward dates, one after another, I decided not to meet anyone for a while. I wanted to focus more on my work and my studies.
Almost. Come on.
Here you are.
Thanks. I could get it. I could reach it, maybe after one more try. Jam, milk, apples, grapes, blueberries, biscuits. Good. So, when is the bus coming?
Huh? How rude. He is eating someone else's biscuits without asking.
That is my bus.
Okay.
Enjoy the biscuits.
My biscuits were in my bag. I was eating his biscuits. Wait! I am sorry. Again with that annoying noise? How long is this going to continue? You?
Oh, you? The biscuit bandit.
You live above me? You are so loud. Your repair noise is driving me crazy.
I am not repairing anything. I am going to a party. The apartment across the hall is doing repairs. Do you want me to talk to them?
Oh, I thought it was you. Sorry.
No problem.
I have a big job interview today. I really need to be on time. Oh, come on. It's okay, Lily. This is normal. Everything is going to be fine. Seriously? A storm? Thunder too? 1 minute ago it was sunny.
Hi,
You again?
where are you headed? I can get you there.
Well,
It's true. I don't have a car. But I do have an umbrella.
If you weren't in a hurry for your appointment, even this rain would feel beautiful. We could just stop and watch it.
What do you think? Should we get a hot coffee on the way? You seem to really like biscuits too. I'll get you one.
the more I got to know him, I realized he is kind. And also, he is a good listener. He is patient, supportive, responsible, and he makes me feel safe. He had not only seen me at my best, he had also seen the worst version of me, and he still accepted me. He is really funny. He knows how to make me laugh, even with the smallest things. He supports my dreams. He stays when I need him. And somehow, he was everything I had ever hoped love would feel like.
Lily, will you marry me?
Yes. Did you enjoy this story? Did you learn any new sentences? Then please like and subscribe.